Welcome back to EV Horizon, your go-to channel for all things electric vehicles. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Toyota BZ Woodland, an electric SUV with a wagon-style crossover vibe that's turning heads in the EV world. This isn't just another battery-powered ride, it's Toyota's bold step into blending rugged capability with family-friendly space and zippy performance. Let's jump right in and explore what makes this machine tick, starting with its eye-catching exterior. From the outside, the BZ Woodland screams adventure-ready sophistication. Toyota has given it a wagon-like silhouette that's longer than its BZ siblings, stretching to about 190 inches in length with a wheelbase of 112 inches. That extra length translates to a more versatile shape, perfect for those who want SUV height without the boxy bulk. Up front, you'll spot the signature hammerhead grille design, a sleek, aerodynamic face with a full-width LED light bar that lights up the night like a futuristic beacon. The black plastic cladding around the wheel arches adds that rugged off-road flair, while the 18-inch alloy wheels come wrapped in either all-season or all-terrain tires, depending on your trim. Ground clearance sits at a respectable 8.4 inches, making it ready to tackle light trails without scraping the underbelly. The roofline slopes gently toward the rear, giving it that wagon aesthetic, complete with roof rails for hauling gear. Available colors include earthy tones like cypress green or bold options like supersonic red, and the overall build feels solid, with Toyota's reputation for durability shining through. It's not overly aggressive, but it has presence. Think Subaru Outback meets modern EV sleekness. Moving inside, the BZ Woodland's cabin is where it really shines for daily drivers and families. It's a 5-passenger setup with ample room, thanks to that extended body. Front seats are heated and power adjustable in the base model, with the premium trim adding ventilated options and synthetic leather upholstery for a premium touch. The dashboard is clean and tech-focused, dominated by a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system running Toyota's latest interface. It's intuitive, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus built-in navigation that optimizes for charging stops. Rear passengers get generous legroom, about 35 inches, and the seats fold flat for cargo versatility. Speaking of cargo, you get up to 56 cubic feet with the seats down, perfect for weekend getaways or grocery hauls. The available JBL 9-speaker audio system pumps out crystal clear sound, turning commutes into concerts. Materials feel high quality, with soft touch surfaces and recycled fabrics emphasizing eco-friendliness. There's also a panoramic moonroof option that floods the interior with light, and clever storage solutions like underfloor compartments for charging cables. Safety tech is standard, including Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Overall, it's comfortable for long drives, quiet thanks to the EV powertrain, and thoughtfully designed to feel upscale without breaking the bank. Now, let's talk performance, because the BZ Woodland packs a punch under the hood, or rather, under the floor. It's powered by dual electric motors, one on each axle, delivering all-wheel drive standard across the lineup. Combined output, a hefty 375 horsepower and instant torque that propels this 4,500-pound crossover from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.4 seconds. That's quicker than many gas-powered SUVs in its class, and it feels exhilarating without any drama, no gear shifts, just smooth, linear acceleration. Handling is composed, with a low center of gravity from the battery placement keeping body roll in check during corners. It's not a sports car, but it surprises with its agility. For off-road enthusiasts, X-Mode with grip control enhances traction on slippery or uneven surfaces, and it can tow up to 3,500 pounds. Range is estimated at up to 281 miles on a full charge with all-season tires, dropping to around 260 miles with all terrains due to added rolling resistance. Charging is straightforward. DC fast charging gets you from 10 to 80% in about 30 minutes at 150 kilowatts, and home level 2 charging takes around 9 hours. Ride quality is smooth and compliant, absorbing bumps effortlessly, making it ideal for city streets or highway cruises. Efficiency hovers around 100 mpg combined, which is solid for its size and power. Finally, on pricing, the 2026 BZ Woodland keeps things competitive in the EV market. The base model starts at $45,300, including destination fees, offering great value with standard AWD, the powerful dual-motor setup, and a host of features like the big touchscreen and safety suite. Step up to the premium trim for $48,850, and you add luxuries like the JBL audio, panoramic roof, and advanced driver aids. Compared to rivals like the Chevy Blazer EV or Honda Prologue, it's priced right in the middle, but Toyota's reliability edge could sway buyers. Federal tax credits might knock off up to $7,500 if you qualify, bringing the effective price down further. Overall, it's a smart buy for those seeking an electric family hauler with capability and style. Thanks for tuning into EV Horizon. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more EV content, and let me know in the comments what vehicle we should cover next. Drive safe, and see you on the horizon.